Dear students, we are in exercise 11.2. We have taken question number 2. Let us read the question. Construct a triangle in which BC equal to 8 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC is 3.5 cm. Students, what we will do here in today's class, we shall construct the triangle ABC, then we shall give its justification, how it is so, and then we shall write the steps of construction. So in 3 steps we shall do it. At first let us draw the rough diagram of it so that you can get an idea what we are actually going to construct. In triangle ABC, angle B is 45 degree. We means this BC is 8 cm and this AB minus AC, that is difference of this AB minus AC is 3.5 cm. Dear students, the first question we solved that sum of the two sides is a different measurement, that is 8 cm, 9 cm, whatever. Now in case of difference of two sides we can get in two ways. Either in one case, this is the first case of difference, AB minus AC is 3.5. In another case we may get AC minus AB, that will be in question number 3. We shall do after this question. Okay, so you have to be careful which minus which one, that is AB minus AC or AC minus AB. This question is based on. So let us draw BC equal to 8 cm at first. Dear students, here let us construct BC equal to 8 cm. BC is 8 cm. Now here we shall construct at angle B, it is 45 degree. Dear students, how to construct 45 degree? First we shall construct 90 degree. Okay, then after drawing 90 degree we shall draw the bisector of 90 degree, that is this angle is 45 degree. Now you know how to construct 90 degree. Let us see now. We will take the compass, put the compass at B with any radius. Let us draw an arc. Now with the same radius, we have drawn this arc. With the same radius, let us draw one more arc. This is 60 degree. If we do it again, this will be 120 degree. Now the angle between 60 and 120 will give us 90 degree. So let us draw the bisector of this. This is same radius. So we have drawn another arc with this radius, same radius, another arc with the same radius. Now this will give us 90 degree. Okay, let us draw it. The students, you can see that we have drawn this 90 degree. Okay, now we shall draw the bisector of it so that we can get 45 degree. Let us take this radius from here to here, this point. Okay, yes. Now with this radius we draw another arc here. Now let us put the compass here with the same radius. Please don't alter it, otherwise the measurement will be disturbed. We draw an arc. Okay, now this is 45 degree. Let us draw it. Okay, this is 45 degree. Now difference of two sides is 3.5 cm. So let us take this 3.5 cm here. Let us mark. Okay, suppose this point is D. After that let us join DC. DC is joined. Now we shall draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Just students, you know how to draw the perpendicular bisector. There is a line, suppose any line, suppose it is DC. From here we take a compass. From here we put the compass here. We stretch the compass more than half of the radius. We draw one arc, another arc here above and below. With the same radius we put the compass at C. We draw one more arc at the top and at the bottom also, or at the below also. This is perpendicular bisector. Okay, we put the compass at D, take a radius more than half of DC. Okay, approximately this is half. We have taken more than that. We draw an arc here also. Then we put the compass at C. We draw one arc here. Okay, now we shall produce it. Let us join it. Let us produce up to this much. Okay, so this is X. Now what we do, let us produce BD so that it intersect this line. Suppose this is PQ, this is PQ, let us produce it. They intersect at this point. This point is A. Now what we'll do, we shall join AC. AC is joined. Hence we have obtained the triangle ABC, in which BC equal to 8 cm, angle B is 45 degree, and this AB minus AC is 3.5 cm. Now dear student, what is the justification? How suddenly AB minus AC comes 3.5 cm? Let us see. Okay, here let us see the justification. Now in the justification you can check that, suppose this point is marked as R. What is this? What is PQ here? PQ is the perpendicular bisector, that is perpendicular plus bisector. Okay, so here triangle ARD and triangle ARC, are they congruent? Let us check for that. At first, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree, this side equal to this side by construction, because we have drawn the perpendicular bisector, and this side is common. Hence these two triangles are congruent by side angle side. So they are congruent by which criteria? Side angle side criteria. If they are congruent, so we can write AD and AC are equal, CPCT. AD equal to AC CPCT. You can check that they are equal. Now what is given? What is the difference of the two sides? AB minus AC is 3.5 cm. Now actually at first we have taken this BD equal to 3.5 cm. BD is 3.5 cm in the construction we took. Then what is BD? This BD equal to this AB minus AD. I repeat, this BD equal to the bigger one, AB minus AD. AB minus AD is 3.5 centimeter. Now this is AB. Now as these two triangles are congruent, so we have proved that AD equal to AC. So in place of AD, let us write AC. Hence we could prove that AB minus AC is this 3.5 centimeter. This is the justification. Now let us write the steps of construction. Now in the steps of construction, at first how we started? We constructed BC equal to 8 centimeter. So number 1 is BC equal to 8 centimeter is drawn. Number 2, angle B equal to this 45 degree is drawn. Then in third one, what we did, BD equal to 3.5 centimeter is taken, and CD is joined. After that we joined CD. After that what we did, number 4, we constructed the perpendicular bisector of CD, which is PQ. PQ, comma, the perpendicular bisector of CD is drawn, which intersects at A. Number 5, then AC is joined. AC is joined. After joining AC, then we have obtained the triangle ABC. Thus, triangle ABC is obtained. Okay, in this way we have constructed the triangle ABC. All right students, thank you.